Hello to all traders and welcome to another Market Insights video brought to you by Orbex. Today we're looking at gold and oil, as a lot of traders have been asking me the last couple of days, where is gold heading? Well, it's currently ranging in this kind of $1,700 handle, maybe like a $10 upswing or so, but naturally it's looking like it's going to start testing the 1700 handle once again, and this is what a lot of traders are worried about, well, bullish traders especially. But if we look in the last few sessions, we've seen that dollar has taken a little bit of a backseat. If we look at the euro dollar pair and the cable, we've seen a bit of an upswing in prices there, which we'll take a look on the chart shortly, so we'll see if that's going to happen. And if we look at the age-old remedy, let's say, of when gold is going one way, the dollar is going the other, then if we keep this in mind, then it looks like gold could be heading for an upside push soon. So how soon, we'll have to wait and see and take a look. Oil as well, breaching the $100 a barrel mark once again. Will it stay above there, or will it start collapsing again? We'll have to wait and see. But if we take a look on gold first of all today, we are seeing now on the daily chart, from its collapse from when the Russia and Ukraine conflict did begin, we saw these really big spikes in the market. But as you can see, we are moving lower and lower now, and now hitting the 1700 handle with the assistance of the Ichimoku cloud. As you can see here, just zoom in for a bit of clarity, we are now looking at the fact that we are in a tight range in the last few trading sessions. So this has been the majority of the week and the back end of last week, 14th and 15th of July. So now we are looking like it has been moving in tandem, and we are now seeing another test at 1700 a few sessions ago, but these look like false spikes to me, and now another move to the upside. So really in a bit of a consolidated $10 to $15 move there. But if we also look at the euro dollar as well, just want to point this out. In the last few trading sessions, we did have an upswing in the euro dollar, moving from the lower regions of 1, which is very, very shocking, but moving over 100 pips, 150 pips to the upside in just a few sessions. So is another dollar collapse on the cards? Will we see a really big pushes on the currencies, and will that affect gold as well? Moving back to gold, we're just going to have a look on the 4-hour chart, because I want to get intraday in this commodity as well, in the yellow metal. As you can see here, just highlighted this consolidation. There's been a slight downturn from, let's say, a couple of weeks ago, but then as you can see here, this consolidated zone, are we going to move away from it, and where are the opportunities? Well, as I said, okay, moving up to 1720, so you could say it's a $20 shift, but with the assistance of the Ichimoku cloud, we are trading vastly under it, so we are still considered to be in a bear market at the moment. But will we have any respite from this? Will there be another test at 1700 soon, and also will we have a break and a confirmation down at 1700 as well? As you can see here, a few candlesticks just giving little false spikes here, for me anyway, and we'll see what are the next opportunities for gold in the next coming trading sessions. Oil as well, as I said, it has broken back above the $100, and if I just look at the last time we looked at oil, we were in a descending channel, and if I just pull this down a bit more slightly here, as you can see, we have just punctured out of the top channel at the moment. So with that being said, are we going to see another move to the upside? I've highlighted roughly about the 100 handle here, broken through that quite significantly, and broken through the upper channel as well. So with this being said, what are your thoughts on this? We are now looking at quite bullish on oil. 5 bullish daily candlesticks give an impetus to the upside. Today's session hasn't kicked off very well, but if we look at the intraday chart once again, like we usually do, we are seeing a slight gap in the market to the downside. I'll just remove this channel so it's a little bit easier to see and comprehend everything. At the moment, if we're just looking on intraday, we are seeing quite a choppy price action at the moment. We've reached this kind of double top here almost before prices started moving down. Because now we've got cloud engulfment in the Ichimoku indicator, then this could mean that we could see another move to the downside if prices do start collapsing a little bit more. Nothing too much of a divergence on the RSI. You could say at best we have got a slight bearish divergence here, but it is only slight, because as you can see, I'll just remove this so it's a little bit easier to see. These two tops are not as dramatic as these 2 points here. So that gives me the belief that we will see a slight bearish move, but how bearish it will be, we'll have to wait and see. And this is what probably caused the move to the downside, especially on the RSI reading. So just a few things to take into consideration on gold and oil. We are looking quite heavily at commodities this week because there are good opportunities, and we'll see where this will take us. So join me tomorrow for my next video, where I look at all the major fundamentals and also what's moving in the market to give you the best opportunities. So thank you once again, and we'll speak tomorrow. Bye for now.